Welcome dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel, and in this video we will look at sample cue card. Describe your favorite movie. Sample cue card is describe your favorite movie. You have to cover the following cues: when and where you saw it, what type of film it was, what the film was about, and explain why it is your favorite movie. The sample answer for this cue card is, well, I love watching films in my spare time because this acts as a stress buster for me. Here, I would like to talk about a movie that I like the most. The name of this movie is Super 30, which was released in 2019. This film is the biopic of a very famous mathematician called Anand Kumar. Hrithik Roshan, who is a Bollywood star, was in the leading role. The movie shows the life of this person and how much he has done in his life. He belongs to a poor family and starts his career as a teacher. After that, he opens his own institute where he gives training to poor students for competitive exams like IIT and IELTS. The specialty of this institute was he used to train only 30 students at a time, and that was completely free of cost. Every year, 90% of his students were able to clear these exams, which are one of the toughest exams in India. I have to say his teaching tactics were totally unique as they were more practical and understandable. This movie was a blockbuster, won several awards. At the same time, the movie has greatly inspired many tutors to do voluntary work by providing tuition to underprivileged students. Recently, Anand Kumar received an award of honor from the Prime Minister due to his extraordinary services. Due to these reasons, this is my favorite movie. This was the cue card, and now we will look at the follow-ups for this cue card. Do you think films have any educational benefits? Definitely. Some films provide educational benefits. Films based on history help viewers learn some historical facts of a country or community. Then some movies related to science and technology provide some knowledge about scientific research. Finally, documentary movies provide in-depth information about an particular topic. In what ways are documentary films and films only for entertainment different? There is a big difference between documentary movies and entertainment films. Documentaries show mainly true events, happenings, or popular figures, while entertainment movies are based on fantasy, action, romance, or comedy. Moreover, stories of documentaries are generally slower than feature movies due to the length of movies. Why do you think documentary films are not so popular? The primary reason for having less popularity of documentaries is that they have low budgets. Due to a lack of budgets, they can't promote them on a big scale. Another reason is that they often have new actors which are not known by the audience. How are movies and real life different? The main difference between real life and movies is that films are a show of few minutes and actors can play several roles. On the other hand, in real life, people have to be loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking in order to achieve many things in life. Do men and women like to watch the same kinds of film? Gender bias is disappearing these days. Men and women mostly watch the same kind of movies. However, many females like watching romantic and comedy movies, while males love watching action, biographies, and fiction movies. Do different age groups like the same kinds of films? Yes, different age groups love different types of movies. Older people like to watch movies based on politics and history, and youngsters like to watch action, superhero, and science fiction films. So these were the sample follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. We live on following social media networks: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Do follow us there. Thank you.